Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we'll try to understand how we enter values in workbook or Excel worksheets. Yeah. So entering values in Excel sheet is a child's play. And this chapter or this particular video will show you it's how it is so easy to enter value. So whenever you open an Excel workbook, you'll get this various sheets which you have created within this sheet. So if you have to enter value for a particular sheet, you just click on the sheet that you want to go to. Yeah, click on the cell that you want to insert the value in. Suppose I want to enter the value in B2. So I will select the cell here. You can see the reference cell that is B2. So I'll click on the cell that I want to insert the value into. Yeah, that is available in the sheet area. So this is the place where you type in your data. And once you are into the cell, just click on it and you'll find this flashing vertical line. Yeah, this is called insertion point and it represents the location where text will appear when you type. So if I say hello, I can analyze, yeah, and press enter, you will find the text being entered here. Yeah. So when you click on a box, then the box gets highlighted. So if I click on a cell, it gets highlighted. So it is B4. Yeah. And when you highlight this, you double click inside the cell to get this vertical flashing line. So just start typing wherever once you get this line to get your data inputted in the particular cell and press enter. Yeah. So the text appears to the left of the insertion point as you type here. So if I try to type, it will keep on appearing to the left of this flashing vertical line. Yeah. So it's not necessary that you just type text. You can type in numbers. Yeah. You can type alphanumeric data. So you can type in anything that you want. So the basic thing that you need to understand is how you enter data. So if you once you enter the data, you can also use F2 to go to that particular cell using arrows. So I can use my up and below arrows. Let me have a keyboard. Let me see if I could get a virtual keyboard. On screen keyboard, yeah. Okay. Just to show you what I'm doing on the keyboard, which will help you to understand. So suppose I am in this particular cell, that is E1. Yeah. Now I can type hello Excel. Yeah. And I will press enter. So this is the enter key that I have to press. Once I press enter, the cursor or the cell that it will go to is the next row. Yeah. So if I press enter, it will go to the next row. So you can see where I have typed in or entered any kind of data. As soon as I press enter, it goes to the next row. So enter helps you to select the next row as soon as you type or enter some data within a particular cell. It will go to the next row within that particular cell. Yeah, same way, if I want to go to the next column, right now just by pressing enter, I went to the next row. If I have to go to the next column, I will press tab. So it takes me to the next column as soon as I enter any value within a particular cell. Now suppose I want to enter more values within the same cell. So what I have to do is I have to press Alt Enter. So Alt Enter. So you have to press these two keys together, Alt Enter, and it will go to the same, it will go to the next line within the same cell. It is not going on the next cell. I'll show you. Hello, I scan analyze. And I press enter. You will find, let me take this keyboard a bit down. You can find that hello ECA, I scan analyze has come within the same cell, but on a different line. Yeah. So you use Alt Enter on the keyboard, Alt Enter within the keyboard to go to the next line. So press Alt Enter. Yeah. So as I said, there are three important points that you need to look at while you're entering the data. That is, pressing Enter will take you to the new row, next row within from the selected cell. It is taking me to the next row. I just delete it. Yeah. So it will take me to the next row. Enter will take me to the next row. Tab will take me to the next column post entering the data, and Alt Enter will help me to add more data in the same cell. It will add new line in the same cell in which I am trying to enter data. So these are the three important points that you need to look at when you are trying to enter any data within Excel. Hope I was able to make this thing clear. Hope you understood the intricacies of entering data. How do you enter data in Excel? And the various ways in which you can enter data. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Excel, because since I've been teaching Python for a long time last year. So sorry, excuse me for that. But since we'll be doing Excel videos this entire year, I want your people to subscribe so that you keep on getting all my videos directly to your inbox whenever I upload them. Thank you so much.